Hello friends, myself Anita Tripathi, and by profession I am a bioinformatician. My channel is basically focused towards giving an insight of how we can view and analyze big size biological data. So biologists are involved with big biological data due to rapid advancement of high throughput biotechnologies, which are generating data in huge scale, which is already beyond petabyte, even exabyte also. And in current era of life science, it is being represented in many forms, which represents the information at various level of biological systems, including data about genome, transcriptome, proteome, epigenome, metabolome, molecular pathways, molecular imagings, population clinical records, and many more. So big data basically consists of four important features, which is volume, processing speed, variability, and accuracy. And computational system biology has a key role in big biological data analysis. In computational biology, we often use Linux because our options are very limited in Windows. Common bioinformatics tools such as FastQC, BWA, and SAM tools are not available in Windows. There are indeed online platforms that allow us to utilize these tools, but they are still not free of limitations. However, if user wants to work on data analysis step, the choice of Linux or Windows is up to user only. Bioinformaticians mainly prefer Linux over Windows because Windows is very slow at processing biological data, and most of the bioinformatics tools are only available in Linux. Linux also has built-in programming languages, hence creating a biological pipeline, analysis pipeline can be done very easily in Linux. Linux is free as well. So for easy understanding of beginners, I will be starting with complete basics. And beginners do not need to instantly switch the operating system to Linux. It is better we get a basic understanding before completely switching to the Linux environment. For this, there are softwares which provide Linux shell environment for basic data analysis on Windows. One of such software is Mobx, which brings all the essential Unix command to the Windows desktop. So the objective of this channel is to promote understanding of basic Linux, which is very useful for biologists, because many of the programs run from the command line. One needs to know how to use some basic Unix commands. Then let's start with the installation of Mobx. For this, we just have to go to any Internet Explorer, web browser, type download Mobx. Now just click on Mobx X server with SSH Telnet RDP link. We'll download the installer edition. Just open the location where you have downloaded the software. Now extract it here. Just double click on this installer. Next, accept the terms and conditions. Next, then install. Give the permission and finish. This is very simple. Now you have Mobx in your system. This is Mobx and this is the Mobx terminal. Yes, I have a suggestion for you. Instead of using Notepad or any other text editor, it is better you use Mobx text editor because this is compatible with Linux. So for now I will be finishing this video and I will upload my new video which will contain the basic Linux commands. So such as getting help, list a directory, create a directory, delete files or directories, locate files in file system, copying files and concatenate. Thank you so much and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you like the video.